We all need power, but we always seem to run out of it, either because we choose to enjoy nature away from the grid, or, in disaster scenarios, the grid chooses to get away from us. That's why we've designed this, the Cali Pack, a portable solar energy kit that meets dozens of off-grid energy needs, nature trails, photography trips, all-day picnics, disaster scenarios and electricity shutdowns, daily use in areas with unstable electricity supply. The Cali Pack is completely autonomous and can fully charge from either the sun, a car, or a wall charger. Its 38Ah battery is powerful enough to charge your iPhone up to 120 times, and powerful enough to provide energy for our entire set for a whole day, including a fridge, until we ran out of beer. You can even add a rain cover to keep the power going in case of rain, and a Bluetooth app for easy management. When designing the Cali Pack, our team focused on developing a seamless off-grid user experience with an all-inclusive kit, an optional daisy chain solar panel for double charging power, a cool app, and storage for your devices and accessories. The Cali Pack is a must for every off-grid scenario. Fully portable, it provides you with natural free energy wherever and whenever. So may the power be with you when you need it.
Introducing Pergo. Pergo is a German-engineered, patent-pending, and beautifully designed car air purifier and freshener made with 100% all-natural bamboo charcoal. It's for anyone who wants to transform their driving time into a naturally purified personal oasis. Pergo absorbs and eliminates odor rather than masking it. Bamboo charcoal has been used in many Asian countries for thousands of years to purify both air and water. It's 4 times more porous than regular charcoal, and the pores trap odor particles as air passes through, which purifies the air in your car. Giving you a peace of mind is one of our major objectives, and we're proud to say Pergo is 100% all-natural and non-toxic. It's fragrance and allergen-free, and asthma and allergy-friendly. The charcoal is safe even if ingested. Pergo works 24/7 passively and lasts more than 365 days in your car. It's the world's longest-lasting car air freshener. For comparison, common brands last less than 45 days on average. Finally, Pergo is responsibly made. Bamboo is one of the most renewable natural resources in the world and can grow as much as 40 feet in just a few months. Hemp, which is the fabric used on the outside, grows without pesticides and requires half the amount of water compared to cotton. When you're done with Pergo, the bamboo charcoal inside can be used as a rich and natural fertilizer for your garden or plants.
You can bring a better day along for the ride with an at-home car wash that's as good as any professional cleaning. All you need is a Foam Master cleaning sprayer, the perfect all-around tool for cleaning, degreasing, and disinfecting your vehicle. Its even distribution of foam ensures the most controlled, scratch-free wash possible. Putting your cleaning sprayer together is a breeze. Simply pour the cleaning solution into the easy-to-fill mouth of the tank. Next, connect the tank to the sprayer and the nozzle to the hose. Finish by attaching the sprayer to the nozzle. To choose how much solution you want to release, adjust the dial setting. Turn the dial to A to release the lowest concentration of cleaning solution. For the highest concentration, turn the dial to E. Once you're set, you can start cleaning. To rinse, simply disconnect the sprayer and tank before you spray. Taking care of jobs the clean and easy way? That's a better day.
Introducing the TrekSafe LED Flare Kits. The flares come in a durable hard case. Simply attach the magnetic flare base with the magnetic stand and turn on the LED flare to use. 6 AAA batteries are included. Use the flare to warn oncoming traffic of your position at night, in the evening, or even during the day. Unlike traditional one-time use flares that have a hot flame, are dangerous, and only last 15 minutes, the LED flares are ultra bright, safe, reusable, and can last for days on the same batteries. The flares have 3 modes: blinking red, solid red, and a flashlight, which is handy to have around your vehicle. Use the magnetic base to attach the LED flare to most metal surfaces while working under the hood or changing a tire at night. The flares can be stored conveniently in your trunk or glove box, ready to use in the event of a roadside emergency. Pick up your set of TrekSafe LED flares today and be sure oncoming traffic is aware of your position.
With the original Porta Potty, Thetford's portable toilet line, you can be prepared for every situation. Porta Potties are freshwater flush toilets that can be taken anywhere they are needed. They're sanitary, odorless, leak-proof, easy to use and clean, durable and rugged. The two-piece design and the subsequent ability to easily separate the 2 tanks adds tremendous convenience and functionality. Waste and odors are sealed off when not in use. The top half holds the fresh water used to wash down the bowl during flushing. The bottom half stores waste until it's time to be emptied into a toilet. A Thetford Porta Potty portable toilet is a natural for camping, RVing, boating, tailgating, or bedside use.